Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming you have admin rights and that Windows 10 is up to date. This prevents permission errors. Once done, install Folder Lock and run it as administrator so the app can register system hooks. Make sure to create a strong master password. This protects everything and cannot be recovered without your hint. Also, store a written recovery hint somewhere safe. Now you're ready to move into locking specific files and folders with the app's interface. Now you'll add items to Folder Lock. Click Add or Lock, then navigate to the files, folders, or drives you want secured. Choose Lock for quick access control or Encrypt if you need stronger protection and offline safety. Encryption creates a secure locker file. After applying the setting, verify lock status in the apps list and then test by attempting to open the item from File Explorer as a normal user. If access is blocked, you've succeeded. If not, review permissions and retry. Finish by setting automatic backups for lockers and exporting encrypted lockers to an external drive so you have recovery options if the system fails. To access items, use Unlock or Decrypt inside Folder Lock and enter your master password. This restores normal access. If you ever get locked out, first switch to an administrator account and ensure Folder Lock service is running, then restore from a recent backup. If the program won't start, reinstall as administrator and reapply your exported locker files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.